It's kind of, yeah, it's kind of, it's weird. It's a remnant, remnant of some unfinished construction of sorts. I think they had. Yeah.
Maybe this is where they do maintenance for the boats.
Yeah, it's.
Because they have a hangar, so I think that's where they do maintenance.
This would indicate. It's young and loud.
Yeah, let's go that way over here.
Instinct, huh? Instinct.
I thought you could keep going down.
You cannot. Just come. Just follow. If you want a leader, he's here to rent. I think you have to go. It goes through the. Yeah.
Not this one either. Yeah, look, it's still more starry.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
It's here. No, doesn't seem. I could. I see people going, but I wonder whether there's a way out. Let's go out of the discovery. I think they're going to a.
I see people walking there, so I think maybe you can continue around.
Let's go, but unless they go do some specific function. I'll move to the right if it helps. You see there's motorbikes there. Ski. There's skis. There's even a beach there. A terrace. A shop. A girl.
They're doing maintenance of the boats. I think what we saw behind us is the same. Basically.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what is the attraction. But let's walk on. Let's go to. The leader is gone. Park.
You're stuck there,
Huh?
right?
I don't know. It's like a.
We can ask
Excuse me. Do you know whether there's any way out from doing this? And you can continue.
Stop.
You stop and then you have to come back.
I go to tower or
Okay. So you can.
stop
It stops there.
the house. Right.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Cheers. it's behind? It's a man.
It's a diver.
Yes.
Snorkeler.
Yes.
And that's his device.
Yes. Yeah, I guess so, yeah. You can zoom in and see all this stuff. I think the lighting on this side.
It's straight.
Yeah, that's why I want to be up to the right. Because got stuck again.
Pomalutku. Cały czas na rękach. Nie zgubiło.
There's certainly, if I understand him correctly, a shortcut that takes us to the
Yeah, here. This
Yeah.
is where you can land. Maybe. I don't know.
probably.
He did say something.
The rest is just we're caring more about my dead cunt running around this girl. Yeah, yeah. I think that's where we can reasonably, if we don't want to waste too much time, we should go through here. Yeah. Where are you going, Kanik? Yeah, but that's the same thing. We can do it, but what's the benefit?
Watch out.
There's no...
Just take a few pictures of the map and then we can go.
stuck behind. I can actually film. I mean, we can walk, but I suspect that people might be. Let's walk. Let's walk. I never want to miss out, but I think that people take the boat to go visit. But we are not doing that, or unless we want to do that. Oh, these are nice, nice boats. Yeah. So now you're going to stick to the left or to the right? Because someone is going to push you. Yeah. Much more dolphin house there. I can also take a picture here. Why don't we maybe
But we should be on that side, it's safer.
try my famous selfie? No, let's try the first original simple one. Oh, sorry. Okay. People are coming. Oh, there's a large contingent of people.
Let's go in.
No, that's right. Let's go ahead. Oh. Should be fine. See? You want? That's a nice place.
They're all waiting to get on.
That's what I suspect. So there's also this. What do you call it? Sorry. Yeah. We either go like this and get out of this because we seem to be stuck here. But yes, the option is to take the boat and or buy this one if you. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Ports are always dodgy places, huh? They always walk 1 meter in advance. Less attached. You're lost in touch.
And you're walking in the middle. We have to go back up there.
No, my point is that when you see people walking, they're driving behind us to the right. So being on the left is a safe pass. Because if a car comes behind us, it will be to our right side.
This is where you book your tickets behind us.
Yeah. Maybe we should. If you want to travel. Huh? Or Belgium. No. And we separate again. Come. Keep going. What? Yeah. That's cool. Smart ass. When you smart ass. Yeah. This is a school. They're teaching kids. Radical is a jet ski school. have surfing. You also have jet ski, and we see those guys. Maybe they either come from here. Well, there's a.
This was the last time there?
Yeah. It's probably less crowded. Yeah, good. Place with. This is a nice. Yeah, that's gonna be a good one. Yeah, this. Yeah, this probably here or there, wherever. Sitting.